Good.
October dinner menu is going to go as follows. I'm going to kind of give you a rundown of each dish. Not really the preparation, but the ingredients, what's on each plate, and any other information you may need. So we're going to go dish by dish. So the videos will be chicken, beef, gnocchi, so forth and so on. So when you click on, make sure you're watching each video, not just one. So the first dish we're going to do is the roasted chicken poblano grits and serrano, just focus over here, and serrano wrapped asparagus. Okay, the cheesy poblano grits are stone ground corn. Everyone knows that grits are stone ground corn with the addition of manchego and poblano peppers, which are not very spicy. It's very, very tasty. We've had lots of compliments on our grits. So anyway, the roasted chicken is an all-natural chicken. It is rubbed with an ancho pesto, ancho pepper being not spicy as well, just flavorful. Semi-boneless, the only bone is going to be the leg bone and this wing bone. Okay, we debone the chicken and then we reheat it with a little bit of its own juice, as you can see there. Serrano ham is similar to prosciutto. It's a Spanish version of a salt-cured ham. It's very tasty. It is salty. It has, salt cured. So stay there. This is a gluten-free dish with no substitutions. Okay, so basically just going to put the grits right in the center of the plate. Okay, the roasted chicken. Stack on top there a little bit. A little bit of the juice that it comes with. And then you got the two nice pieces of serrano wrapped asparagus. Alright, the next dish we're going to talk about is the filet mignon au poivre. So maybe we'll knock this out in 3 separate videos, which will be nice. So we don't have so many things going together. So the filet mignon au poivre basically translates, au poivre means with pepper. So one side of the tenderloin is crusted with pepper. The other side is just pan-seared. Okay, this is just a nugget for me to eat, so don't worry about that. 1 8-ounce center cut steak. Okay, it is upper 2/3 choice, which means it's the closest you can get to prime without paying the extra price for prime. Okay, so back to the steak. We start with the pan, and we're going to sear the steak in the pan, finish the steak to temperature, and then in that same pan we're going to saute shallots, green peppercorns. Green peppercorns, as you can see there, are these real little piquant flavored peppercorns. They're soft, they're not hard. Brandy, touch of cream, and demi-glace. Grilled asparagus is the accompaniment for that as well. It's basically tossed in a little balsamic vinaigrette and grilled on the grill till it's tender. Butternut squash risotto has also been real popular. There's nice chunks of butternut squash in there. We roast the squash first and add it to the risotto. We've had risotto many times on the menu before. We all know that it starts with arborio rice, and we basically stew that with onions, chicken stock, finish it with Parmesan cheese and fresh herbs. This is also a gluten-free option. I want to take this time to stop you and point out that the gluten-free option on the menu is changed. The gluten-free symbol now means it can be gluten-free. Some items can be gluten-free if we substitute or if we subtract something from the dish. good example is the Southwest salad. It has gluten-free semble on it. It can be gluten-free with the tortillas subtracted from that dish. So keep that in mind as you're looking over the new menu and the new format. So a real simple plating. We're kind of doing the risotto off to the side. Pool of the au poivre sauce. Steak cooked to temperature right on top. Grilled asparagus as so. That's the beef tenderloin au poivre.